Hi everyone, welcome back to Quiz Changala. Can you guess name 100 vehicles within just 3 seconds? From easy to impossible, give it your best shot. Before starting, please subscribe to the Taylor RSV Quiz channel for more exciting quizzes. You got this, it's the easy level. Let's get started. First one. Truck. Motorcycle. Car. Any ideas? Airplane. Bus. Bicycle. What is it? Ambulance. Police car. Fire truck. You got it. Cruise ship. Train. Sports utility vehicle. Next vehicle. Mail truck. Food truck. Snowmobile. On to the next one. Convertible. Double-decker bus. Garbage truck. Trolley bus. Do you know this vehicle? Subway. Pickup truck. Scooter. You got it. Monorail. Helicopter. Snowplow truck. Medium level. Time to step up your game. Can you guess? Lorry. Tanker truck. School bus. Any ideas? Motorhome. Dump truck. Jeep. What is it? Dirt bike. Electric scooter. Van. Tram. Next vehicle. Hot air balloon. Camper van. Tow truck. Hoverboard. On to the next one. Sailboat. Cargo ship. Aircraft carrier. Gas ship. Can you guess? Paraglider. Recreational vehicle? Canoe. Kayak. You got it. Rowboat. Camper. Go-kart. No holding back. It's the hard level. Can you guess? Monowheel electric. Jet ski. Biplane. Any ideas? Aerial tramway. Carriage. Steam train. What is it? Double-decker train. Freight train. Bullet train. Fighter jet. Space shuttle. Rocket. Do you know this vehicle? Rickshaw. Submarine. On to the next one. Oil tanker. Speedboat. Catamaran. Next. Ferry. Golf cart. Limousine. Tricycle. Riding lawnmower. You got it. Luge. Hovercraft. Dune buggy. Here we go for the impossible level. Good luck. Can you guess? Cement mixer. Tractor. Combine harvester. Any ideas? Seeder. Agriculture sprayers. Front end loader. What is it? Backhoe. Farm forklift. Sugar cane harvester. You got IT. Bulldozer. Excavator. Crane. Do you know this vehicle? Forklift. Road roller. On to the next one. Bullock cart. Donkey cart. Camel cart. Next vehicle. Auto rickshaw. Zeppelin. Bomber aircraft. Cargo plane. Wagon. You got it. Car wheel train. Cyclo. Skateboard. How many vehicle can you guess? Comment down below. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel to watch the next interesting videos. Bye-bye. See you soon.